Guys, this place is like bueno, bonito, barato. Okay guys, so we are at Gaziantep Ortobus station and now we are going to another beautiful city, Mardin. So this is our bus that will take us to Mardin. Let's go! Finally we are in the bus and this bus ticket we bought for 100 Turkish lira and we are on our way to Mardin. Good morning guys, finally we have arrived in the city, Mardin. Now let's go to the city center. Bye taxi. Let's go. Okay guys, we came here for little breakfast. We are going to eat this. Now we are going to a new house. Also, we found it from Couchsurfing. This is our new house. This is also a traveler. Kadir. Yeah. Good to see you, man. Couchsurfing. We found this house on Couchsurfing. And wow, look at that view. That place is Old Mardin. We will go there today. Time to explore this city. Now we have come to this area. This is like old city in Mardin and there is also one castle over there. So we'll try to go inside these streets. Mardin streets looks like Italian streets. Look, they are so beautiful. It's free coffee to try. Thank you. Try guys, how is it? It's good? Oh, this is Mardin cookies. How is it guys? Yeah, they are giving us free food to try everywhere. So this guy here, he's selling Mardin water. This is like Mardin water but it doesn't taste good. It's something different, yeah. It's fresh. What we have this time?
This is Suryani chili.
Suryani?
Perfect.
Perfect. Another sweet, like dessert. This is desserts. Wow, okay. Wow, thank you. Wow, look at these streets. Wow. So guys, look, there is like a movie shoot over here. The guys are with the guns and they are making film. The view from here is just amazing. There's a big area over there and on this side we have a castle. Look, this is known as Mardin Castle. This is like Turkish coffee, Mardin coffee. Hello. What's your name?
Suzan.
You are from Mardin?
I am not from Mardin, but I am from Turkey. Actually.
So how is your business going here?
Because of the corona, like tourists are not
Not
much
coming.
coming, you know. So I focused more on online stuff.
Can you say your Instagram?
It's Mar Boutique.
Mar Boutique. Guys, Mardin is also famous for wine. So how is this wine, guys?
It's really
Do you feel some difference? It's traditional, right?
Yeah, it's homemade
It's homemade wine.
and the alcohol percentage is more higher
High.
than the fabrication one.
One bottle of wine here is 80 Turkish lira. Thanks. She also have Instagram page, guys. You can find her. Mar Wine. Perfect.
Yapış kargolardan var.
Okay, now guys, we have decided to have some tea on this place with this amazing view. Thank you. Afiyet olsun, guys. Provecho. One more place over here. This is known as Madrase Isa, Sultan Isa Madrase. It's very, very old, and I will show you this area around. There are some people sitting over here. It's ancient and historical, and on this side you can see there is also one grave over here. Look, Madrase Yaptiran, Sultan Isa. This is a tomb of Sultan Isa. Look, Assalamu alaikum. Okay, on this side, let me show you. On this side there is also a few places. So small pool over here, and it's like a library with all his heritage. This is içli kofta. İçli kofta. Yeah. How much is it? Bir tane. So one içli kofta is for 5 Turkish lira. This is also very traditional. Thank you. It's really tasty. It's really tasty. Wow. Thank you. Okay, so this is the boss of this restaurant and the chef. He will introduce us to his restaurant.
Thank you very much. I love you, Pakistan people.
We love.
Hello.
Yeah, merhaba.
Yes.
This is a restaurant tour.
Just now.
Uh-huh.
This here.
Ah,
You
okay, okay.
understand me? Just talk show.
Okay. Show time.
Show time. Let's go. Okay.
Okay. Wow.
This is meat.
Meat. This is his restaurant, and so many people are sitting here. This is best, guys. Ayran in Turkey, like lassi in Pakistan. This is fresh, and it makes you fresh. Okay, guys, now we are in the house of one of our friends. Let me show you the view here. Look at this view. It's wow, it's so amazing. And you know, on this side, on that side, there is like Syrian border. It's so close. Syria is so close. And look at these houses. Hello, Ahmad. Yeah, this is his house. Yeah, and I can show you the one more friend. Aras. Thank you. They invited us to their house, and they are his friends.
She is in Kurdish woman.
She's a Kurdish famous woman. What's the name? Worker. The heart of the world is here, guys. And how is the name?
Mesopotamia.
Mesopotamia. This is the name of this.
Mesopotamia.
Mesopotamia.
The movie of
And look on this place. Wow, it's so historical. Wow, look at this shop, guys. It's so charismatic. Wow. There is more over here. Store. Wow. Okay, so they are making. This is for wow. This is amazing. We need pictures here.
Perfect.
पूरी दुनिया में मचाओ अपनी कामयाबी का शोर, और अगर कोई तुम्हें रोकने की कोशिश करे तो उसे कहना खामोश. Okay, we spent really a good day today in this whole city. We enjoyed a lot, and we are still in the bazaar. We will spend some more time here, but we will be back with another nice video. So stay tuned. Take care, guys. See you soon. Shout out. So this is the host of our house. Hello. And he has a very, very nice dog. His name is Pablo. Pablo? Bumble. He plays so much. So we found this house from this guy from couch surfing, right? He's out couch surfer. Yeah, cool. Say hi.
súbeme la radio, que esta mi canción. Siente el bajo que va subiendo, tráeme alcohol que quita dolor. Vamos a sentar la luna y el sol. Súbeme la radio, que esta mi canción.
Lauri, but I want to read and you are like this. Yes, but because you have an
So can you explain what are you guys doing here exactly? Shooting? Bollywood? Cool guys, I love your equipment.
Gel abi gel. İki sana yapayım da Bilal gel gel.
Look, there are so many things to do in Mardin.
Yeah, it's very big.
Mardin is really beautiful. I love.
And what is the castle?
Wow. This is description.
is this one. Yeah.
Look guys, all this street is like a bazaar and they have really amazing things. This is like a restaurant, this is like a hotel and mosque. Wow, mashallah. So they guys also gave us these things to try and they are really good. Something
we have
different.
this in Spain. Similar.
So Mr. Gurkhan also cooked very nice food for us. It's bulgur, chicken and some sausage. So let's eat guys. Sausage.
Yeah, it also.
Afiyet olsun. Ellerine sağlık.
لازم كدي بتر خوتلو خاني بويا زندار دبر لازم وزرع لازم كدي